Good morning, ladies. I'm so glad you came to join me again. This is Christy Waite from Christy's Creative Crew.blogspot.com. I can't believe it's September already, and I'm just so thankful that you're here to join me. This is my September hostess code, and I would be honored if you would hop on over to my blog and check out all the links that I have for you there, that you can go see inspiration every day, and that you can check out all the links that I have. You can hop on over to my store, my online store, and place an order. And if you would use this hostess code during the month of September, then I would really, really appreciate it. Now, I just wanted to say, if your order comes to $150 or more, then please just be your own hostess and reap those benefits. So here we go. Do you remember the card that we made on my very last video? And we made this, or I showed you this flower that I attached to my card. We started with this card, and I stepped it up to this card. I changed up the flower. I changed up the greeting, the ink color, and then I changed up this flower using a tissue paper flower. So I said, come on back and I'll show you how to make this tissue paper flower. So what you're gonna need, of course, is some tissue paper. So I did not take any time to iron it or anything like that, because I don't think it's necessary. But I'm gonna fold it. I folded it twice. I'm gonna go from the folded edge. I'm going to fold it about 2 inches. What you need is you need to be able to fit your punch in there. So I'll show you. Well, we're going to slide it in there. Well, you can see. You can see that's what I need. But the trick is going to be, let's see, so I have 4 layers here. Now, what I need to do is I need to pull in my computer copy paper, just a regular thin sheet of copy paper. I'm going to put that, I'm going to sandwich my tissue paper with that copy paper. Just like that. Now you saw how hard it was for me to try to get my punch to go with that tissue paper. But because now, here, I'll take that out and show you. Now, because I have my tissue paper sandwiched between 2 pieces of copy paper, I am able to slide that right in and punch it out. So now I know I have 4 layers in there. And I'm going to cut out several. 4, 8, 12, 16. Well, this much will give me 20. I think I'm only using 10. So you can save these white tissue or these white copy paper ones if you want to, but I'm going to separate my tissue from my copy paper. I'm just going to get those set up so they're ready for me. And some of them are crinkly, and that's fine because I go back and I crinkle them all up anyways. So I'm not worried about them being flattened out. Here we go. I think I have enough here. So now I'm going to come in with my Tombow glue, and I'm going to just add a dot. There we go. Like that. I think I'm going to pull in my silicone mat to work on, just so I don't get glue all over my... Now you don't need a lot of glue for this. And I'm just going to start building. Let's see, can you see what I'm doing? Just tiny, tiny bit of glue. You don't need a lot. All right, there's 4 layers. I like it nice and full. Let's see, I kind of want to get it so that they're not stacked exactly on top of one another. That's 5 layers. Okay. Whoops. Your fingers do get a little gooey. All right, 6, 7. Yes, I definitely want at least 10. 8. Alrighty. I see a couple more laying here. I'll just use those up. Maybe it looks like I'm using about 12 layers. And one more. Oh, there's not. There was 3. Silly me. Well, we'll make it an even dozen. Okay, about like that. There, and see how simple that was? Now let's pull in our perennial essence floral centers again. And I didn't show you before, but on the back is a little piece that you're gonna just peel off. There you go. If your fingernail doesn't work, go ahead and use your take a pick tool. Now that's sticky back there, and almost a slight dimension to it as well. And we'll just put that right in the center of our flower. Now I'm going to go and scrunch up my flower to give it more of a real life look. I know when you put it on a card, it'll probably get a little flattened out in the mail, but they will understand. Maybe this could be a card that you just hand out. I don't know, but I think those flowers are adorable, and I am going to be using this in one of my card classes on a different card. I just think they're so cute and so pretty. And look how much that added to our card. All right, well, that was a quick and simple tutorial for these flowers. I thank you, Jackie Atkins, for showing that flower on her blog. She did not demonstrate how to do it, so therefore I demonstrated it for you, but she's very talented and one of those demonstrators that are quite up there, we'll say. So thank you for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day.